Alright, today we got a package just came in. It came from a mechanic shop. Apparently they tried to drill out the ignition. It's my understanding. Yep, here's the ignition. They tried to drill out, they still couldn't get it out. So they ended up going to the junkyard, getting a used lock. And here's the two keys. Basically what they want us to do is make these two keys work this lock. So the first thing we have to do, we have to try to pick it. We have to generate a key from scratch to it, figure out what the cuts are, so we can remove it intact, and then we'll go ahead and rebuild it to make sure these keys work. We'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we're back. Keys are now matched to the used lock, so the mechanic will be able to put this back in the car. Both keys, we didn't have to recut them or nothing, and that's about it. You need our help, go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.